This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your account and points balance so you can act immediately. Sign into Xbox or Microsoft. Once signed in, open Microsoft Rewards and check how many points you have. Buy an Xbox gift card or rewards balance using the points redemption options. Choose the denomination that matches the Game Pass price. Make sure your account region matches the card currency, otherwise the redemption will fail. Once done, proceed to redeem the code into your account to fund Game Pass. Now you redeem the code you obtained through points. On Xbox, use Guide Store Redeem or go to Microsoft. .com/redeem on a browser, then enter the 25-character code exactly and press Confirm. Once the funds are added to your Microsoft account, go to Game Pass subscription page and choose the plan you want: Console, PC, or Ultimate. Select Payment, use Microsoft Balance so the redeemed funds cover the purchase. If needed, set Auto-Renew off to control future charges. Finish by verifying Game Pass shows as active in subscriptions and checking the next billing date so you know how long the redeemed value lasts. If the balance did not apply, make sure the gift code matches your account region and was fully redeemed. Codes can be region locked or already used. If you still see issues, sign into order history for the redemption receipt and contact Xbox support with the order ID. That usually resolves payment/balance mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.